Hello everyone, I am Prachi Rajkumar Ruikar. I am in 9th standard. The topic of the seminar is cell and the structure of cell. After hearing the name of cell, some questions arrive in our mind that are what is meant by cell, what is a cell, and why the cell is known as the fundamental, structural and functional unit of life. And the last is why the topic cell has the importance in science. So we know that our body is made up of various organ systems like digestive, respiratory, skeletal, muscular, excretory, etc. That all the organ systems are composed by organs, and organs are made up of tissues, and tissues are made up of small particle or small component is known as cell. That's why we can clearly say that the cell is the smallest component of living organism. The cell has two types. The first one is prokaryotic cell, second is eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell is a bacterial cell. Eukaryotic cell has also two types, plant cell and animal cell. Let's move on the components of cell. This is a plant cell, this is animal cell. The outermost covering of the cell is known as cell wall. The main function of cell wall is to support and to protect the cell, and the cell wall is made up of carbohydrates like cellulose and pectin. This is a cell wall. Then the next one is cell membrane, which is said to be the selectively permeable membrane or plasma membrane. It is made up of phospholipid bilayer. The next and the important component of the cell is known as cytoplasm. All the organelles are located in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is in the form of semi-liquid in the cell. Then the next, which is said to be the brain of the cell. Why the nucleus is known as the brain of the cell? Because of it controls all the metabolic activities and cell division, and it is involved in the transmission of hereditary characters from parents to offsprings. Then the next is lysosomes, which is said to be the suicidal bags of the cells. Then the next is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is said to be the secretory organ of the cell. It is made up of 5 to 8 hollow flat sacs. Then the last one is plastid. Why the leaves are green and flowers are red, blue, orange, pink, etc. Because of the component which gives the color to the leaves or flowers is known as plastids. Plastids have three types. First one